Kenya's High Court has blocked the government's bid to close one of the largest refugee camps in the world at Dadaab near the border with Somalia and to repatriate Somali refugees. The judge ruled that the decision to forcibly repatriate the refugees was tantamount to an act of group persecution and was therefore unconstitutional. The government issued the directive to close the camp last year, saying it was necessary to protect the country from security threats. It accused Islamist militant group Al-Shabaab of operating from within the camp. However, the deadline for the closure was extended to May, pending the outcome of negotiations. Two lobby groups then filed a suit challenging the move as being discriminatory and contrary to international law. Kenya's government say it will appeal the High Court ruling, which blocked the closure of the Dadaab camp, which accommodates more than 300,000 people.
The decision by the government of Kenya to collectively repatriate all refugees in Dadaab refugee camp to the frontiers of their country of origin against their will violates the principle of non-refoulement, as expressed in Article 33 of the 1951 UN Convention related to the status of refugees, as well as Section 18 of the Refugee Act. The government's decision, specifically targeting Somali refugees, is an act of group persecution, illegal, discriminatory, and therefore unconstitutional. The directive by the third and fourth respondents to forcibly repatriate refugees based at Dadaab refugee camp or anywhere in Kenya is violation of Article 2.5 and 2.6 of the Constitution of Kenya, international legal obligations and the 1951 UN Convention related to the status of refugees, and the 1969 Organization of African Unity Convention governing the specific aspects of refugee affairs. Hence, the said directive is null and void.
This is actually a really proud moment for Kenyans. It has been established that the rule of law does work. The court has played its role in acting as a check to the executive. The executive orders rescinding refugee status for Somali refugees has been quashed. The order to close Dadaab and repatriate refugees back to Somalia has been quashed. The order disestablishing the Department of Refugee Affairs has been quashed. So, yeah. It's a good day. I'm really hopeful that the government of Kenya will comply with the orders issued by the Constitutional Court and really revisit the issue and look at finding durable solutions for the refugee situation in Kenya.